Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-60N-POE NEMA, and as you can see it's in a polycarbonate NEMA 4X enclosure. The enclosure has a hinged front so that you can get into the enclosure, inspect the MAC address and get that information. This comes with version 2.0 NTP, our network NTP protocol, and it is a web-paged, browser-based program that comes already programmed onto the network card that we have within the unit. That has an automatic IP, so you can visualize the IP address. Also on the web page you can see the time of the clock in real time. It's reflecting whatever's on the clock itself. This specific one is set up for central daylight savings time, central standard time with daylight savings function. You can change that on the web page. I will include that video with this specific clock, and then you'll be able to see how that all happens when you set those parameters. But as you can see, it comes up to 12 o'clock, goes through the digit check, all the LED check when you power it up. This is a PoE, 6-inch high digits. There is your IP. So it gives the IP to you when you power it up, and then it will change to the correct time as soon as it gets that time from your server. To mount it, you have to loosen these screws, these thumb screws. Take those all the way out. The hinge is up. There's through hole mountings here in each one of these 6 areas where you can just mount it to the wall. As you can see, it's changed to 12:16, which is central time compared to our time here. Again, I will post that web page, how to configure it and how to configure the time of day, set up your daylight saving, set up your time zone. You can give this clock a name, say like this is conference room clock, or this is your food storage area, or something of that nature on the actual web page itself, so you can distinguish it. Also, we do sell a web server 1. If you have more than one and you want to see all the times on one page, the web server 1 grabs all of your clocks together and formulates them on one web page, so you can see all of them working and see which ones are connected, which ones aren't. There is a link on each web page that indicates whether you have a good network connection or not. That also gives you indication of what's going on in your system, if there is anything. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-60N-POE-NEMA time of day network NTP clock. Thanks for watching.